And a few people with Tony Rose teeth.
Oh, yeah. I think I'd like to be the Luna. But then I'd like to go to Mega White.
See in the top.
Yeah, Simon Cowell style.
Oh, God.
Simon Cowell style.
When did we do Doctor Who now?
Because we did the Stony Angels. You know, the angels, the stoned angel.
Of course, I forgot about that.
Yeah, and it looked like the ones off Doctor Who, and we had no idea what anybody was talking about when they told us. We were like, what is that?
I think you had no idea, I knew.
All right, then, I had no idea. What's wrong with that? What's that sound like there?
Horrible. Take it off.
You've had enough?
Yeah.
You're not happy with him?
No.
You're such a naughty microphone.
I feel like my fingers have instantly lost weight.
You're instantly just gone on a diet.
God.
It's so funny.
That's because I went to the gym 2 days ago.
Oh, God. The finger gym.
Yeah.
It goes back to pink. Oh. That was the table.
She's excited.
And now, Jay, pop it into the iced water.
You've changed the intro, haven't you?
I did it normal before. Not nice. Has the snot gone down? Hold on. We don't need intro music.
we do need new intro music.
We've got it built in already.
Like when you watch cry porn on YouTube.
You watch what?
Cry porn. Have you never heard this before?
What?
Like
Cry?
what? I've got a friend, Nick Banks, you know him very well.
Yes.
Loves a good cry. So he watches this cry porn on YouTube. So it's like war veterans coming back and then they're getting greeted by their dog and the dog's going super happy. Or, don't know.
So like super emotional things.
Just really hyped up emotional stuff just so he can have a good cry.
It's a bit strange, that. I am so hot.
Well,
I am sick of being hot. To call me on my shell phone. Do you know the shell phone? I bet you can't see it so much on you. See, what's missing off the shell phone?
0?
Yeah?
How are we supposed to ring anybody?
What a rubbish shell phone that is. I feel sorry for the mermaids. Because I think they have shell phones, don't they? The mermaids have a shell phone. Like, hey, girlfriend. Touch me. He touched me. Get it.
Oh my
They're
God.
gross though. They're gross. They land on you and start laying eggs and like laying little maggots and stuff.
He's so weird.
It's horrible. They're vile.
Oh, there it is on the microphone. And I can...
Kill it, Adam.
Got it.
Yes.
I've got my microphone as well, man. But...
Can you imagine if we did this on JJ and she got the glow in the dark nails on again? She'd be freaked out again at night. And she would never get away from nails because she'd just have it there, shining. Oh, I think I need a cup of tea. I've only had 2 today. You know, I like to have a burp before I do my filming. It's really heavy and slippy. Whoops.
How are you then?
Away.
How
Away.
How are you, lass?
Away, lass.
So you're just covering all bases there.
Yeah.
Like
Just-
the marbled sea.
Yeah. The different shades that you see in the sea. There you are, guys. I hope that you are fucking I'm so tired. So tired.